Okay, now let us take exercise number 1.2. State whether the following, I am not writing the statement here. You have to write from your textbook. You can copy down in your notebook here. Okay, state whether the following statement are true or false. Justify your answer. Every rational number is a real number. Okay, what I told in the previous video I sent. Real numbers are set of rational and irrational numbers. They together form real numbers. So what is the statement is here? Every irrational number is a real number. Statement is true. So how will you justify? Because real numbers are set of rational and irrational numbers. रियल नंबर्स में दोनों इरेशनल स्टेटमेंट यहाँ क्या है पूछ रहे हैं आपको हर एक इरेशनल नंबर रियल नंबर है यस बिकॉज रियल नंबर्स आर द सेट ऑफ रेशनल एंड इरेशनल टुगेदर दे फॉर्म रियल नंबर इरेशनल नंबर्स ऑफ रियल नंबर्स के अंदर आते हैं इसीलिए सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज every point on the number line is in the form of root m. Question you copy down from your textbook. Okay, if you take number line here 0 1 2 etc they will be on the right side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 like that. So what is asked here? Every point on the number line can be in the form of root m, for m is a natural number. This statement is false. Why? Because negative numbers they cannot because negative in number line will be including positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. So negative numbers cannot be the square roots of any number. Okay, मतलब क्या है यहाँ what is asked here? All number line, all the numbers they can be expressed in the form of root m. Okay, it is not possible because number line will be including positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. So you can represent here root 1, root 2, root 3 etc. But these negative numbers they cannot be square roots of any number. Okay, then third is asked. Third one, every real number is a irrational number. Statement is false. Every real numbers may will be getting in real numbers will be getting rational and irrational. So what is the statement here? All real numbers are irrational. No. Why? Because in real numbers we will be getting rational numbers also. यहाँ you have to understand the statement. क्या पूछ रहे हैं आपको यहाँ? All real every real number हर एक real number irrational number है. क्यों नहीं है? क्यों? रेशनल नंबर्स में आपको रेशनल नंबर्स रियल नंबर्स में आते हैं इसीलिए स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज रेशनल नंबर्स ऑल्सो कम अंडर रियल नंबर्स. आपको यहाँ ऐसे पूछे तो रियल एंड रेशनल एंड इरेशनल both they'll be coming under the real numbers, then the statement is true. Irrational numbers are rational numbers, irrational numbers are real numbers, गलत है. Rational numbers are real numbers, वो भी गलत है. Real and irrational both that is the statement is correct. Okay, now these three. Then second question asked, are the square roots of all positive integers is irrational? Now let us take positive integers. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. So what is asked here? If you take the square roots of this number, root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7, okay, root 8, root 9, root root 10, root 11, and root 12, etc. Dash dash dash. All these are the square roots of all इंटीजर्स आर इरेशनल. ये सब इसका स्क्वायर रूट सब इरेशनल है. ओके, इरेशनल मीन्स नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिकरिंग. ओके, आंसर इज नो. आपको लिखने का स्क्वायर रूट्स ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव integers are not irrational. Why? Because if you take root 1 is equal to 1, which is a rational number, it is not irrational number. Root 2 irrational. Okay. Root 3 also irrational. Root 4 again, root 4 is equal to 2. This is a rational. That means if you take square roots of all the positive integers, rational will be there, even irrational will be there. क्वेश्चन में ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं रूट स्क्वायर रूट्स जितने पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं उसका स्क्वायर रूट सब इरेशनल है. स्टेटमेंट गलत है क्योंकि बीच में आपको 1 आती है. रूट 4 इज इक्वल टू 2. इन द सेम वे रूट 5 अगेन आपका इरेशनल हो जाएगी. Root 6 also irrational. Then root 9 if you take 3, which is a rational, that means if you will be having a mixture of rational and irrational. That is why the statement is false. Example, root 16 you take, 4, root 25, 5, root 36, 6, like that. ये सब है rational है. Okay, now supposing root 11 you take a irrational है. Root 23 you take, root 23, then irrational. Like that you will be having a mixture of rational and irrational numbers. That is why the answer is no. Okay, third question, show that root 5. Before that I want to give you some introduction about Pythagoras theorem. In the next video I will sign.